Hello guys and welcome back to our new video. To end this video would tell you about WalkingPad R1 Pro Treadmill Manual Automatic Modes. You are watching Quaint Tech HD and now let's get onto our video. Introducing WalkingPad R1 Pro Treadmill Manual Automatic Modes. Of me. King Smith WalkingPad R1 Pro. True foldable that the way runway of treadmill can be folded in half. Speed limit of beginners. The mission to let our users and the family feel at ease when walking. Utility model patents. The patented double fold technology of platform stimulates more storage possibilities. High brightness light emitting LED panel. Eye catching and dazzling. It is made of exquisite IML manufacturing technology, which gives a strong product texture. Subtle design. Dual mode exercise machine. New way FPR working. Say no to seating. Putting handrail down, you will enter the walling mode. Move it under your desk, you will improve your state of working. Back to running. Focus on training. Can be used by every family member. Taking turn to walk every day. Enhanced brushless motor. Reduced noise. Integrated aluminum frame. Walk and run freely. Comfortable running platform, derived from layer preference. Hidden phone tablet holder. We designed slot for phone and tablet on the handle, so you can always stay entertained and connected. Safety clip and handle. The handle provides additional balance while the safety clip acts as an emergency stop button. 3-way, easy control. Controllable by walking speed, easy to change the speed. Subtle remote control, easy to catch. Convenient app, easy control by hand. And here you will see that this walking pad was amazing and useful. That's why people trust this product. If you like this walking pad, you may check out the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you have questions, just comment below and see you next time.